You know what's funny about it? What's funny about it, CJ did it, and then he looked up at me. He's like, oh yeah. Oh my God. Pull it all the way up as far as you can. Gotta remember to breathe like Renee said, CJ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower it down, take it to the side. Are you feeling the stretch in your hamstring, CJ?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, set the band down. And so take the band off. What time you have now?
We got 7:27.
What?
7:27.
Oh, he said 7:47. I was like, what? You're gonna bring your legs back over your head. So you remember the roll-ups that we did? Yes? You're gonna try to bring it all the way back to the ground. Come on, you got this. You got this. Yep. What? Ready did it! Come on, CJ. To the ground. To the ground, CJ. Take it back. We're gonna start it over.
It was like right there.
This time we're gonna go. When we go this time we're gonna hold it. We're gonna try to get it to the ground. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got one more. How does it feel? You can get it. If you take your time, control your breathing, and each time you drop down, you catch a breath and you release it, and then you slowly. So when you hold your breath and you release it, you slowly lower. Hold your breath, release it, you slowly lower a little bit more. If you try that over time, you'll get it down there. Ready? Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You're not gonna get it to the ground, CJ? 3, 2, to the ground, CJ! Yay! Ha! He did it! He did it for a second. All right.